Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to create a shopping list on your Thermomix TM7. In order to create a shopping list, you can either do it on your Thermomix or on your app or website. I'll show you first how to do it on the Thermomix, then how to do it on either app or website. It's very similar in both though. So let's go to the like any recipe, so I could find some recipes that I have saved, for example in the My Week feature, or I could search for a recipe and add it to my shopping list. Now let's say I want to already like buy things for the chocolate cake I have scheduled in 2 days. Let's click on it, then click on 3 dots in the top right corner and add it to my shopping list. Now let's also make sure I have all the ingredients for the pizza margherita. I could also click on 3 dots and add it to my shopping list. Later the shopping list will be visible in the app, because there's like no shopping list option on the Thermomix, which makes sense because you probably don't carry your Thermomix TM7 with you to the store. So let's go to the website. It will be very similar on the app, so I won't explain the website and the app, just the website. So let's move on there. And as you can see, if I go to the website, I can find shopping list right here, and I can either separately see it by recipes. So there's gonna be the chocolate cake. I gotta remove the pierogi. Okay, there's pizza margherita and the chocolate cake, and as you can see, some of these ingredients aren't perfectly added, especially if you have like if they are in different units. For example, salt in teaspoons and salt in pinches isn't combined. But yeah, it's basically added here. So now I could either see it by recipes or by category, and then it would sum it up, which means if I'm going to buy, let's see if there's something. There probably will be eggs, 6 eggs for the chocolate cake, and well, the pizza doesn't require eggs, but let's see if there's something similar between these two. No. Okay, I also added muffins to my recipe, and as you can see, it shows the eggs. There's 2 eggs, and then there's 6 eggs for the chocolate cake. If I go to by category, some of the things don't sum up somehow, but the eggs have indeed summed up. Then there's the butter, that is also the unsalted butter is, well, I selected it, but I can unselect it. Now, if you want to add something to the shopping list in the Cookidoo website or app, you can just go to that recipe and click on 3 dots, then add it to your shopping list. And well, there's not many ingredients, but yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.